Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off auto download on WhatsApp. I'm using Android phone but the process will be same on iOS. The process is very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open WhatsApp on your phone. After opening the WhatsApp, you will see three dots on the top right corner. So tap on these three dots. Then a drop down menu will appear. Here you will see the last option, settings. So tap on settings. Then you will be redirected to the settings page. Here you will see different options. So scroll down and you will see this option, storage and data. Tap on it. In the storage and data section, you will see media auto download section in the bottom. In this section, you will see three options. First one is when using mobile data, second one is when connected on Wi-Fi, and the third one is when roaming. So first select this option when using mobile data. Here uncheck all the options, then tap on OK to save. In the same way, select the second option when connected on Wi-Fi. Uncheck these options too, then tap on OK. In the same way, tap on the third option when roaming. Uncheck all options and tap on save. Now you have successfully disabled auto download on WhatsApp, and this is how you can turn off auto download on WhatsApp.